Hey, what's up everybody, it's ZenJJ. Today I'm going to bring you a video update on basically crypto.com, which is basically they're having this ongoing promotion for the Singapore users, and of course there is like free money and of course NFT to grab, and I'm going to tell you how do you do it. And after that, from there, before we get started on the video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video. And of course, before we jump into the topic, I would like to introduce you that on my Discord channel that I have launched recently. And after that, basically I am doing like this thing called the Exo Infinity Scholarship, and of course I'm doing like giveaways from time to time. So over here, if you guys are interested, you can join my Discord channel, and from there you can we can basically build a community, and from there we can grow together in the cryptocurrency space, and of course teach each other. So of course, first of all, we're going to talk about what is crypto.com for those who are really new to the channel. So for crypto.com, for your understanding about this platform itself, I would say it is an all-in-one platform which you can use to buy, sell, store, and after that from there exchange, and of course like there's many other products. From there you can earn passive income also, all from crypto.com, just in one application, which I would say is super easy. And after that, over here you can see crypto.com also have their own Visa card, which you can basically sell your cryptocurrency into your currency, and from there you can spend it, and at the same time you are getting rebates in CRO, and after that as high as 8% rebate. So of course it is not a credit card, but it is a debit card, and of course I believe in some countries you can use the credit option, and after that over there it will be really like basically a whole banking system in the cryptocurrency space. So if you are interested, check it out. And of course, if you are new, you can sign up and of course get this $25 worth of CRO totally for free just by signing up. And of course, to unlock the CRO itself, you will need to basically get a metal Visa card that they are offering. And I would say getting the metal Visa card, I have not regretted it in my life. I would say it is the best thing that I've done, that basically to help me get all this passive income, and of course like generate sort of stream of revenues from crypto.com. And I would say that right now we are going to talk about the Binance Alternative. So why did I even mention about Binance? Basically, as we all know that this promotion is for Singapore users, and after that right now, Binance has blocked off like Singapore from accessing their mobile application, which is as good as for people, most of the guys out there, I believe that you guys are using the mobile application of Binance to like trade on the go, and after that from there you can like access all the products that Binance is offering just using a mobile application that they offer either on iOS or Android. But of course they remove this feature for the Singapore user because of the MAS regulation, investor alert list and stuff like this, which is all done on my channel. You can just check it out, all the videos is there, but I'm gonna bring this video, and after that from there it's gonna pop up and you can look at all the alternative out there that I have made. From there you can choose from the alternative that you feel that it is the best for your needs. So I would say that it is not really a loss of hope if let's say Binance like block off Singapore users from using their application, and of course from there restricting you Sing dollars to be purchased on Binance, like the cryptocurrency and stuff like this. But of course crypto.com, they are another alternative that I would say you can really consider because of the products that they offer. It is totally more user friendly, and it is purely, I would say, mobile based. So 90% of the products that they offer is accessible by the what is that called, their mobile application. And of course only accept if let's say you want to do the advanced trading on their exchange itself, you might need to use the web base to be basically access more features. So this is just one of the cons, I would say. And of course right now we are going to talk about the crypto.com free NFT, and of course the promotion that they are having right now. So over here is the Mid-Autumn Festival new user promotion that crypto.com is offering only for Singapore user. So I would say right now is the chance for you guys to legit sign up for crypto.com. If let's say you want to sign up to get more incentive, because previously the incentive they are giving out on a day-to-day basis without any promotion, they are giving out free $25 to everybody who are signing up using the referral link down below. And after that from there you can get this $25 for free, and on top of that right now they are giving out a bonus of $100 in CRO, and of course you can get an exclusive mooncake NFT, which who knows can worth like, I do not know, millions, or even I do not know how much can this NFT worth. But to be honest, if you know about the NFT market itself, we have seen like one CryptoPunk, or even let's say one W that is from the art blocks, it can worth as high as 300 Ethereum, and of course a few $1 million worth of those NFTs. So if let's say the mooncake NFT could even rise up in that price to become so ridiculously expensive, you basically hit the jackpot, I would say. And after that, over here, to wish our Singapore customer a happy Mid-Autumn Festival, they are giving out an NFT, and after that giving out token to the new crypto application users. So if you have friends or family who have not signed up for this crypto.com platform, you can just use the referral link and ask them to sign it up. If let's say you do not have you did not sign up for your own crypto.com application, you can use my referral link, and of course it's going to help the channel out a lot. And after that, over here the campaign period is from the 6th of September 7:30 p.m. all the way until 22 September 11:59 p.m. So I would say that this promotion is a limited time only, and of course I would say it is around 2 weeks to the end. And of course there's also another catch on it. The first 100,000 users that sign up on the crypto.com application and fulfill the campaign eligibility requirements during the campaign period will be awarded with 100 Sing dollars in CRO and an exclusive Lion Mooncake NFT. So I believe the NFT is going to look like this, and of course I'm going to teach you step by step how do you even get into this basically the campaign terms and condition, if you want to say it. So over here for the campaign eligibility is very simple. Download, and after that sign up in. Basically you need to log in to the crypto.com app, and after that you need to complete your KYC. So the step 0 is to sign up, of course, using the link down below. And after that the second step, download the application, log in. And after that, from there, the third step is to complete your KYC, and you can have a guide over here. I'm going to link the whole article down on the video description, so take a look over there. And after that, for number 4, sign up for the campaign using your unique crypto.com app referral. So over here, yep. So after doing all the steps over here, you need to click on this link, and you will be redirected to this basically this promotion form that you need to fill in. And after that, you can read all the terms and conditions over here, and from there there's much more step to it. Of course the new user defined as those who has not signed up or completed their KYC during in this event period on crypto.com. So basically if you do not have the crypto.com mobile application on your mobile phone, you're eligible. I would say if let's say you use crypto.com previously, you would have the mobile application already. So over here, the next catch over here is users have to create a crypto.com/NFT account using the same email as their crypto.com account. So if let's say you use the first email that you have created on the top itself to sign up for the application, you need to use the same email to sign up for the NFT. So click on the link and you will be redirected to the page to sign up. And after that, from there, connect both accounts to receive the exclusive NFT Mooncake NFT reward. Yeah, I would say that this is really kind of freebie that you can consider. And over here, how do you connect your crypto.com NFT into the crypto.com app? Is very simple. Just create an account on the NFT extension, go to your account activities, select connect app. So I'm just going to show you the overview. So over here, once you have login/created your account on the NFT itself, you need to go to your account activity. Just click on this over here and you will be redirected to the account activity. So once you click on it, you will be prompted to connect your connect the crypto.com application. So if you click on it, it is going to be automatic. It is going to basically enter your email address. They are going to ask you to enter your email address that is on crypto.com application, and after that, from there, they are going to send a connection through your email. So you need to check your email, and from there, click on the link, the authorization email, to connect your crypto.com and the crypto NFT app together. Therefore, in the future, you can trade and after that buy or sell NFT on their crypto.com NFT as well. So basically right now, I have come to the end of this promotion on how do you get it. It's very simple to understand, and of course, if you want to have a more detailed read on the notes that is down over here, feel free to do it. Just click on the link on my video description, just scroll it down, and after that over here, I have a scam alert to warn everybody. So on my channel itself, you will probably see all these people spamming you can, and after that never compare the proof that worth that blah 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 that this guy and that guy helped me to earn like 4 Bitcoin or even 10 Bitcoin in like within a year. So I would say these are all scam, and after that from there you can see they are trying to spam this comment on my channel. Therefore you will click on the write down the extension on your URL over here, and after that from there you will visit the site, and from there you somehow will get tricked and get scammed through them. So I would say just avoid all these, and I'm trying my best to slowly delete the comments because I have tons of all these comments on all of my video, and of course in my channel there's over 200 videos. Therefore I will never know which of the video they have comment it on, and I'm trying my best. So if let's say you see anyone, just click on this button over here and after that just report the user as unwanted, and after that commercial content or spam, and report it. And after that, from there, eventually if more people report their account, they are gonna get banned. And after that, over here the next scam alert is on airdrop, basically Binance Smart Chain airdrop, which I believe that many people of you guys who are using the Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum or even whatever chain that is allowing the smart contract basically to create your own token, you will be like somehow receiving free airdrops. And after that, from there, you think that it is worth, I do not know, from 500 all the way to 40,000 worth of cryptocurrency that has been airdropped to you, but it is not. It is just a scam for you to basically there to scam you guys. And after that, from there, I've made a website, airdropscams.com. You can visit, and after that have a read about how does this airdrop scam work. And after that, from there, you can share this website to your friends and family as well. And of course, I've come to the end of the video. Kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video. And of course, remember, if you guys are interested in this Excel scholarship program that I'm doing, basically it's gonna end on the 22nd of September, which will be required to join my Discord channel. And of course, on my Discord channel, there is also some freebies ongoing from time to time, basically giveaways that I'm doing, and of course scholarship programs that I will do trying to do on a monthly basis. So if you like the content, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video. And I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye bye, peace.